Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a topic that's becoming increasingly popular, detoxing your body. With all the toxins we're exposed to daily, from the air we breathe to the food we eat, it's no wonder people are turning to detoxes to cleanse their systems. But what exactly are the benefits of detoxing? Let's dive in and find out. First, detoxing can help boost your energy levels. When your body is overloaded with toxins, it can lead to feelings of fatigue and sluggishness. A detox helps to remove these toxins, giving your body a much-needed reset. Many people report feeling more energized and alert after a detox, ready to take on the day with renewed vitality. Next, detoxing supports better digestion. Over time, toxins can build up in your digestive system, leading to bloating, gas, and other uncomfortable issues. A detox can help cleanse your digestive tract, promoting more efficient digestion and nutrient absorption. This can lead to less bloating, more regular bowel movements, and an overall feeling of lightness. Another great benefit is clearer skin. Your skin is one of the major organs responsible for detoxification, and when your body is overloaded with toxins, it often shows up in the form of acne, rashes, or dullness. By detoxing, you're giving your skin a break from processing all those toxins, which can result in a clearer, more radiant complexion. Detoxing also helps with weight management. When you detox, you're likely to cut out processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, things that contribute to weight gain. By focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, your body can reset its metabolism and burn fat more effectively. Plus, detoxing can help reduce cravings for unhealthy foods, making it easier to stick to a balanced diet. Finally, detoxing can improve your mental clarity. Toxins can affect not just your body, but your mind as well. Many people find that after a detox, they experience less brain fog and have a sharper, clearer mind. This mental clarity can improve focus, productivity, and even your mood. If you're feeling weighed down by the stresses and toxins of everyday life, a detox might be just what you need to feel your best again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.